Hi, welcome back to Genesis Custom Savers, and I've just updated my sound font Korriban to work with Crystal Focus version 10 and Smooth Swing. Of course, it'll still work with all the older Plectr Labs cards. It'll also work with some other cards like the Profi. You would just need to rename sound files and things like that. But my sound fonts are engineered to be ideal for Plectr Labs sound cards. And this is your classic Dark Side sound font, influenced by my Darth Bane work and by Count Dooku a little bit as well. As you can tell, it's already got the smooth swing pairs. Multiple pairs, so you get a really authentic Dark Side experience, no matter how you move the saber. Of course, if you have it in hybrid mode, you can add on the original swing sounds, which are all still in there, which will play on top of the smooth swing pairs, but this is just the smooth swing. Of course, you've got all the same old clashes and blaster blocks, lockup. You've got end lock sound so that the lockup transitions a little bit differently. You've got force effects sounds. All the old sounds are still in there, just added with the cool element of smooth swing. So I hope this Dark Side sound font is perfect for your saber creation. Thanks again for watching.